We bought our house about 5 years ago, and we knew there were some issues with the house. We had it tested for mold, came out negative, and so we thought everything was fine. We fixed the few items that we knew that weren't working well. We had roof problems from the previous owners, and then when I started getting headaches a few months ago, started looking at the mold thing again and tested again. Numbers were high, very uncomfortably high. And so we tried to figure out how we're going to deal with this. And the concern was we didn't see it. We didn't know where it was in the house. And we talked to a mold remediation team, and they talked about tearing down different parts of the house and then physically taking it out. And the problem was that we could chase that rabbit for a long time and not really know if we're getting what was causing the high readings. So we came across Pure. They said they'll come in, fog the whole place, and don't have to know where it is, and then we'll test again afterwards. So we tested before, numbers were high. They came in, fogged everything, and tested again, and it was gone. That's it. It was gone. After Pure came in and did their fogging to remediate the mold, the headaches were noticeably different within 24 to 48 hours. It made a big difference.